Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how you can identify whether the video is a real one or an AI generated. So to generate this video I used VO3 and prompted it to generate a guy in his mid-20s walking on the streets of Kathmandu. So at the first glance, as you observe this video, you'll see things quite convincing. In this frame you can see temples in the background and a lot of flags that we can typically see in the cities of Nepal. But where VO3 fails is identifying the kind of rickshaws that are generally run in Kathmandu. The rickshaw that it has generated behind the guy is primarily the one you can see in the cities of India but not in Nepal. So this is the first contextual mismatch. As you proceed further in the video, you can also see the flag of Nepal on both right and the left corner. Similarly, as we move ahead in the video, you can see guys wearing t-shirts and shirts that are typically worn in the summer days. But as we move ahead in the video, you can notice a guy wearing a thick jacket, which is a typical cloth worn in winter days. So this is where VO3 lacked to match the contextual nuances. Moving on, I even generated the second video using the same prompt, and the issues were consistent in the second clip as well. You can see at the top there is a flag of Nepal, but the problem with the auto rickshaw is consistent. Likewise, you can notice a guy wearing a jacket with a fur, where at the same time there are other guys who are wearing normal shorts that we typically wear in summer days. This is again where VO3 completely failed. So to conclude, these are the kind of small contextual detail that you can look for in a video to find whether it's AI generated or a real clip. Tune in for more similar videos. Subscribe the channel.